Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. Don't mind the shower in the background. I'm actually gonna get in the shower. Just finished running, so I'm gonna take a quick bath. Or but it actually news just came out that Canada just released their first ETF, a combined ETF of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and officially got approved. The real good news is about this. I mean, you can kind of, I wouldn't really consider this run to be because of that. I mean, generally, a run on Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever like this is like just like a regular everyday price action movement. But the really good solidity of this is that once you have something like a Bitcoin, Ethereum ETF running in Canada, the United States is not far behind. The good thing is that you now have the actual proof and position of Canada as a big superpower, passing a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, where the United States can directly take a not a toll, but they can take kind of a hit as far as moving forward and looking past other things. Whereas China is banning everything, Canada is who's actually a low-key superpower, actually coming up in the world, and nobody really knows this, but they're actually moving up insanely fast in the crypto space. And I really doubt that the United States will want to trail behind Canada. I'm not saying Canada's awful. I love Canada, right? Canada's great. But a lot of things that Canada end up doing on the low side, the United States end up making a decision on it they're not too far off from following what Canada does, especially when it's something in the crypto space. So good job to Canada. Officially passed the ETF for Bitcoin and Ethereum, kind of a combination for both cryptocurrencies. And also, I don't see the U.S. backtracking on this. If anything, I see an even further push for a big minimum a Bitcoin ETF, and then possibly something similar for altcoins if you want to be a little bit riskier, I guess. But I do see some sort of a crypto ETF passing in the U.S. Relatively soon, just because Canada already did it. So I'll see you guys later. Just news for today. Bye-bye.